Welcome back to Nature Fella. Glycated hemoglobin HbA1c is a measure of your average blood glucose level over the past 2-3 months. High levels of HbA1c are associated with an increased risk of developing diabetes complications. Here are some ways to reduce HbA1c levels. 1. Manage your diet. Eating a balanced and healthy diet can help control blood sugar levels. This includes reducing intake of sugar, refined carbohydrates, and processed foods. Instead, focus on whole grains, vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 2. Exercise regularly. Exercise helps improve insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar levels. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week. 3. Monitor blood sugar levels. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels can help you understand how your body responds to food, exercise, and medication. This can help you make informed decisions about your diet and exercise routine. 4. Manage stress. Stress can increase blood sugar levels. Find ways to manage stress, such as through meditation, deep breathing, or other relaxation techniques. 5. Take medications as prescribed. If you have been prescribed diabetes medications, take them as directed by your healthcare provider. Be sure to follow the prescribed dosage and timing. 6. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can affect blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. 7. Quit smoking. Smoking can increase blood sugar levels and make it harder to control diabetes. If you smoke, talk to your healthcare provider about ways to quit. It's important to work with your healthcare provider to develop a plan for managing your diabetes and reducing your HbA1c levels. They can provide guidance on the best strategies for your individual needs and monitor your progress over time.